So today we are going to talk you through a banana bread recipe. This is great for using up those brown bananas that you have lurking around in your fruit bowl. So first of all, in the bowl here we have some softened butter. So you can soften it in the microwave or leave it out at room temperature. So the first thing we're going to do is tip in some brown sugar. So I just use soft light brown sugar. You could use caster sugar if you want, but I find that the brown sugar just gives it a little bit of a more caramel flavour to it. So in it goes, Sarah. Good girl. That's it. And then we're just going to take our wooden spoon and cream the butter and sugar together. Okay, so you can see how soft that is, all right? And it's very easy to cream. So Sarah, you can do that. Meanwhile, I'm going to get on with mashing up the bananas. So this requires 2 bananas. Some people just don't like the look of the black bananas, but actually it's just the starch turning to sugar. So this should be nice and easy to mash up. So just take the skin off that one and mash them up with a fork. Okay, hold on to the banana because it can slide off the plate. If you're doing this, if you're doing it with younger children, just maybe watch that doesn't happen. And we mash it up until it's almost like a buttery texture. And that's why we actually don't use so much butter for this cake or so much sugar, because the banana provides the sweetness and also that buttery texture. So it takes the place of some of the sugar and the butter. Okay, so I have that mashed up. Sarah, how are you getting on? Getting on good. Yeah, good girl. So that's all the butter and the sugar combined. Let's have a wee look. So we just sort of finish it off, make sure there's no more lumps. So that's the kind of texture you want. The sugar and the butter is completely combined. Now, we're going to crack the egg. Do you want to do it or will I? You want me to do it? Okay, so I'll crack the egg. So just tap it on the side of the glass bowl or on the table. Okay, and then we just mix that in. So there's no need to really mix the egg up first. In it goes. And Sarah, you can do that. Good girl. So it just takes a few minutes to combine that in. And while Sarah's mixing, I'm just going to scrape in the mashed banana. How's that coming along, Sarah? Good? Yeah. Okay. Now, so the last step, and this is the one that's the most fun, isn't it, Sarah? The last step is sieving in your flour. So we use some self-raising flour, and just give that a fine little mix, Sarah. There we go, just to make sure it's all combined. Okay, and if you set your sieve on the side of the bowl, good girl, and tip in flour, that's it, we tap on the bottom, good girl, and we're just going to, good, so we just tap it off our hand, and the reason that we sieve the flour is to get more air into our mixture, and that makes our loaf rise a wee bit better, okay? So in that goes, and just get that a wee mix. So we fold the flour in. We don't want to knock out the air, okay? Sarah has gone to a lot of effort in getting air into the mixture. That's it. So sieve, sieve, sieve. It's just like a mini snowstorm. That's it. It's a tiring job. Do you want me to give you a wee hand? Just get the last bit in. So I'll just keep folding. Now you could replace some of that flour with wholemeal flour. You could use half wholemeal flour and half self-raising flour, and that will just add more fibre to the banana bread. Okay, so keep mixing. Now, I have a little loaf tin here. So it's a 2-pound loaf tin, and I've used a little liner. And these are just some stationery clips that I've got. You can get them in any large supermarket or stationery shop. And we just clip those on to the side of the loaf liner. And that attaches it to the side of the tin, so that when you're pouring in your mixture, it's not going to fall in on top of the sides, okay? Because that can leave a really sticky mess. So that looks good, Sarah. I think we're probably ready to put the mixture in. So I think it's maybe best to leave this bit to the adult. So maybe if you hold the tin nice and firmly there, Sarah, and we'll pop that in. Okay, and you can also use a spatula. I don't like to waste any, so I just scrape the remainder off the wooden spoon and out of the bowl. You can sometimes be surprised how much you can actually catch with the spatula until the bowl is cleaned. That's it. And then you can just level that down with your wooden spoon, and you can start taking the clips off, Sarah, if you want. That's a good girl. That's it. Squeezy, squeezy. Good girl. That's it. Now, so you can show everyone at home your lovely loaf. Okay, and we're just going to pop that into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so we have taken our banana bread out of the oven. It's been cooling for a little while now. Sarah has been playing dress up while the banana bread was baking. So the banana bread has a lovely golden colour now. Okay, we'll just lift it out of the tin. I'm not going to cut this down for another while yet because it is still just cooling and it will just crumble, even though it smells so good and it's so tempting. Okay, so if you like the banana bread, you can find all the ingredients on the website kidskitchencookeryschool.co.uk, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and give us a thumbs up. Alright, bye for now.